We are currently in New Zealand. You see how tiny it is? Like, this is me. That's basically me in the shower. I love this mirror. Today I'm giving you guys a cabin tour of my little tiny home. Very tiny, you guys. But yeah, I have another hanger thingy so I can hang my towel. I got another towel over there, and then I also have my own towel. I always bring my own towel just in case, but yeah. Then I got the basin, and then you have like, oh, I have a lot of things in here, but you basically get two sections. So if you're sharing, you'd only get half to put your things in the other side. So at least here I have like both of them. And then this is the shower. That's basically me in the shower. And then we have like this little line. That's if I want to do laundry and I don't want to like go to the laundry, I can just hang it there in Venia, which is really great. But that's basically all the space I have. You see how tiny it is? Like, this is me inside, and it's just so tiny. That's it for my bathroom. Very tiny. This is the bed. It's a single bed, and I got like a little carpet because it's cold here and I just need a carpet. So yeah, I got that somewhere in Japan. And then underneath the bed I have my luggage again, and then my shoes, and then we have this little closet thingy. I just keep my underwear in there, and then that's my pothole. We are currently in New Zealand, and then yeah, but that's basically the window side. Very cute. And then over here I have like a little storage space thing, but yeah, I have my socks and like just random things over here. I just like that I have the extra space. And then these are all my clothes. So can you see how tiny this is, you guys? You could have just made a double closet thingy, because now we gotta squeeze everything in. I mean, granted I came with like 2 full luggages, but still like I need this space, you know? So yeah, that's the only thing I think I'd say I don't like about this cabin, is that there's no closet space, and I always need, because I know I always buy things, and then I buy things for my mom and my family, and then there's no space. So, but then moving on, we have another light over here. So we have many lights, and then the plugs. Some people are asking me about plugs, like, do I need an international plug? I came with one, and if you're from South Africa, then you know that we use these like plugs with the 2-pin, the circle one, and then this is the American one. The thin one is the American one. So see, mine is collecting dust because I barely use it, but I really like how it's like, it just, you see, you can just like open it up and there. So I have that South African one. And then if I want the other countries, there's a little thing that I can slide down. And then over here, that's like a telephone directory that we use on the ship, basically with numbers of everybody. And let's say if I want to call somebody. But I also do have a work phone in here. It's very tiny. It's like such an annoying phone, because when it rings, you know there's problems. Okay, so there I have a TV that I never switch on. So I have like snacks. I have chopsticks. How cute are these? I got these in Japan. They're like pink and purple. I got it from my friend because she likes purple. I wanted purple ones, but I couldn't find them, so she'll just have to settle for the pink and purples. Why is it not focusing? So yeah, I just have a bunch of things. Someone gave me tea. I mean, I'm not really a tea girly, but my mom said I should bring this for her. So someone gave me these, someone gave me that. They're always giving you chocolates here. I have more chocolate, macadamia and whatever. They always give you chocolate on board. So yeah, and then I have these. These are my vitamins that I take. You can order from my mom. I'll put like her TikTok page down. But yeah, these are really good. Like, they really help. I never get sick because of this. Because people are asking me like, what happens if you get sick? Then you get medical off. But these really help with your immune system and things like that. But usually I'd get like a cold. I'm not a person that easily gets sick. But usually I'd get like a cold and stuff. But then I don't. And then, oh, this plug situation is for my lights. I don't know if you guys can see them. I like taped it around. They're so pretty. I'm going to switch them on for you guys. How pretty. That is so cutesy. I love it here. Spend most of my time here. Nap times are the best because, you know, on a cruise ship you're always tired. So yeah. And I also got this like cute little fluffy pillow. I got this on Amazon. love it down. This I also got on Amazon, I remember, and it was packaged so tiny, and I thought it was just like a small little top, but it's actually like a whole, like it's so big, but it's so warm and cozy. I also love it because these cabins are so cold. Like no matter how much I switch the AC thingy on, like it's so cold because I like put it at the warmest, but still I freeze at night. So every day I get like cabin service, so they come in and they clean our cabins, which I'm really grateful for because sometimes I don't have time for cleaning and I'm not in the mood. I had a stressful day at work. I just want to come back and sleep, you know. Same thing with laundry. Like I do not like doing laundry. I got like this section. This is like my picture. These are all the pictures that my best friend printed for me during my first contract, and I still take them with me for every contract. And these I recently got this contract. This was in South Korea, so cutesy. And this was in Singapore, Christmas cruise somewhere there. But yeah, I really like my little wall, even though it's not straight, but like it's so cute. And then I have like, we can't have fresh flowers, so I have like this little fake flower thingy. Little pink roses. How cute are these? And yeah, this is the fridge. I just have like a bunch of soda, water. Oh, I was so excited when we went to Australia and I saw that they have pump water. Like it really reminded me of home because I always have like a pump water there at home. But then I have some wine. Somebody gave me wine, non-alcoholic wine, but I haven't tried it yet. But I really should do that. Here we go. But yeah. And then okay, I just have a random chair here. These are goodies I got from Olive Young. This is so good, guys. If you guys go to South Korea, you need to get these. These are so good. And then I also got this. And then if you go to Japan, get the get the rice mask. 10 out of 10. But yeah, these are my South Korea goodies. But that's it for my cruise ship cabin tour. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.